The African Democratic Congress, ADC, is facing fresh hurdles as the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has maintained that the party is yet to comply with the extant rules required for the formal recognition of Senator David Mark and Rauf Aregbesola as its national chairman and national secretary, respectively. The lack of compliance, INEC stated, renders all official documents and communications bearing their signatures null and void until the process is completed. Although INEC did not specify the outstanding requirements, the ADC is expected to submit sample signatures of the national chairman and national secretary along with other documentation in line with its constitution. Joining us on this show to discuss the ADC's stance on INEC's procedural guidelines is Solomon Dalung, a former sports minister and a member of the ADC. Good morning, Comrade Solomon Dalung. Thank you for joining us on the morning show.